Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back again to the channel After Job. So in this video, I'll share with you job openings from Abu Dhabi. If you guys have a plan to move Dubai or Abu Dhabi with a job, then keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job, all the details we can discuss in this video. So let's start. We are hiring for operation and maintenance at a government power plant in Abu Dhabi. So if you have a experience in power plant, then it will be good job for you. So let's know what is the job openings. First, shift manager. You should have a BE or BTech or diploma in mechanical or electrical instrumentation engineering. Minimum 5 to 7 years of experience in similar position. Benefits: child education support for 4 child plus annual vacation ticket employee for family. Everything details you can get from the company. But you should have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned right here. Then only you can eligible for this job. Next, control room engineer. For control room engineer, you should have the BTech diploma in mechanical or electrical instrumentation engineering, minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in similar positions, and you will get the benefits as the same I already told you from the company. Next, BCM engineer. For BCM engineer, you should have a bachelor degree or diploma in HSE, minimum 5 to 7 years of experience in a similar position. Benefits the same you will get from the company as per mentioned right here. Next, control room operator. To get a control room operator job, you should have to be we take diploma in mechanical or electrical or instrumentation engineering, minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in similar positions, and the same benefits you will get from the company. Next, this is a pre-requirement, no any charges. You have to just apply on the proper way. So I would like to suggest you please follow the process to apply. Then you can get a good salary with a good job. So apply now. What is the applying process? This is the office in Mumbai, Sakinaka. If you are nearest to Mumbai, you can directly visit the office. Otherwise, if you are out of Mumbai or far away from Mumbai, no need to be worried. You just prepare your documents like CV, experience details, and qualification details. All make in scan it and make in one PDF and forward to the given official email ID. After you sending your both official email ID, you can forward. After you forward your all documents, you can contact by this number. Otherwise, if possible, you can visit to the office directly. It will be better to get all informations and to attend the interview on time. This is a 45 years company. No need to be worried. This is a good company through which you can get a job in Middle East or Gulf country. I hope you understand all the things what I'm sharing to you right now. You can get good facilities from the company, annual performance bonus, everything you can get from the company, but you need to forward your CV with all the experience and updated CV and all the documents like passport scan copy, passport size photograph with your head background, CV, updated CV, all certificates, all experience details, all details. You can make it in a one PDF and forward it, both of the given official email ID. Once your CV will be shortlisted, you will get a notifications to attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, you can process for the visa and medical, all the things. The company will guide you, no need to be worried. You can contact directly to the office by their address so that you can complete your smooth process. And my suggestions to you, as I already suggesting in my all videos, that please share this information to the candidates having a dream to move golf country with a job, so that they can get good benefits. So please share with them. If any control room engineer, any BCM engineer, any control room operator, any of category job having the same experience, any candidate available, then share these informations and suggest them to apply on the proper process, so that they are fulfilling their dream to move golf country with a job. So I hope you understand all the things, and I would like to suggest you, this is the urgent vacancies. Don't waste your time. First of all, you need to know you are eligible for this job or not. Here, for all positions, here are qualifications and experience mentioned. If you are fulfilling the criteria, then directly apply. After you apply, attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, you can come to Abu Dhabi with a job with a good salary, and you can get good benefits from the company. So guys, I hope you understand all the things. So guys, my sincere request, please share this information as much as possible so any candidate can apply with the same professional and experience, and they can fulfill their dream to move Dubai with a job. Again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end, and I hope in the next video I'll share with you the new informations latest job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Bye.